Da, 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 da. Bang. So what is this? This is... I posted a video once about a huge ass ribbon, and this is version 2 or 3. You might as well ask, why am I ditching the AMTs? Everyone loved AMTs, especially the one you can see through. But I don't know, it's quite a lot of work, and well, my theory is you make something and you usually, if it works, you're kind of over the moon. So what I did, I grabbed my big ribbon. I thought I'll give it a listen. So this one. I'm not sure if this is in frame, but that one. And I must say, AMT, nice and all. Use only 2 magnets, that's also really nice. But doesn't come close to the sound that ribbon produces. At the cost of more magnets, but I mean, I know I am cheap, but I'm not that cheap. I mean, this ribbon uses 14 magnets, which is still like, you know, I don't know, a build that costs maybe including metal like 15 euros or something, maybe 20. So yes, what is better? Well, the ribbon is, and it should be less work as well. And it fits the speakers I built in the past, and I'm pretty proud of, the big guns, like the big planers that I never use myself. Because I do like them, but I just don't use them, because I'm usually making stuff, and it's easier to check them with a tiny woofer. So this is once again a ribbon, but used as a planar magnetic in terms of how it's driven. And I made a weird pattern. You can see the dark spots, those are the magnets. I wanted to use not too many magnets. I mean, I could have used 5 magnets here, and that would be, magnet cost would then be like 3 euros or 4 euros for each 10 centimeters. So I think that's too much, and also the thing becomes too big. So I used 2. So the middle part is driven by 2 magnets, and then the outer part is driven as well, but not as hard, since it's not in between 2 magnets, and also as well it only has 4 traces on the outer side. So I had to like rethink the coil design, but I'm pretty pleased. This is a nice size for a mid-range, although in this case they're playing full range, and it gives you the same sound I recognized as the solo sound panels had when well, it's ESL and they're from the 70s. I forgot the name, but there's this one electrostatics loudspeaker dude. Is it Sanders? I don't know. I don't think so. That uses also electrostatics full range. He doesn't segment it, and he says it's of course better, blah blah blah. It has some nice things, and that is that it's almost like having headphones on, which is of course really nice, but then again, it's only for you and not for everyone else in the room. So I think that's a downside. So it depends on how you want to use them. I mean, I'm pretty sure they sound like awesome, but if you have a group of people want to listen to it, it's gonna be terrible. The people that's gonna sit on the left is gonna say, I only hear the left speaker, or if the right speaker is pointing towards you, weirdly enough, you sit on the left and you only hear the right side. So, depending on the toe-in. So, yeah. So, the woofer, the data, and blah blah blah. And in this case, this thing is 1 dB down. Not sure if that's correct, but and it's crossed really low. So this one is crossed at 220 hertz 12 dB per octave, and this one at 250. It doesn't have much output, of course, there, but the woofer will be filling in the gap. And I'll show you what is playing. Also, this thing doesn't have a baffle right now, which doesn't help at all. But so it's playing full range. It beams like a laser. But yeah, it also helps. It also sounds rather nice if you're sitting on the right spot. If not, you're screwed. If you're standing up, you're screwed. So it can still be rather cool. But as I speak, I'm making a bigger one. This is using 3 rows in height, and I'm making one with 5 rows, almost complete. And I'm filming that as well at the moment, but I'm waiting for some batteries to charge for the camera so I can continue doing both. Why are you wasting batteries right now? Because I feel like playing music. I tune. So I'm gonna separate the videos because of course this is gonna be demonetized and the other video not. So that's why I'm gonna split it up, and the people that only want to listen to music, well, and a lot of blah blah, this is for you. If you want to see some building thingies without me talking much because I didn't feel like, you can watch the other one. Yeah, Emilíana Torrini, and this time it's an MP3, but it sounds better than my Google Play, weirdly enough. But it's a high quality one, so it's a really high bit rate. So yeah, it's called Dead Duck, and it's kind of bombastic and a mess, but there's some really nice stuff in there as well. Hope you like it. If you don't, well, everyone to their own. Let me put it to mono because it's mono. Okay, thank you.
love the world more than you love me. That you mean the world to me. Today my world is collapsing into the void of no return. Every word that comes from your mouth is just another sign for me to let it go. But it takes so long, and I'm not so strong, and I miss your face every day. You love your God more than you love me. Though you're a God to me, you've always wanted to protect me, but now you're the one that hurt me. You talk to your wise men, and they say women are only here to distract you from your past. So follow your track, follow your past, follow your dream, and let her down. You make big dogs, and they call. Do what I say, not what I do. You love yourself more than you love me. But I love yourself more than me. I let my ego drift away far so it won't come back. But now I'm losing my way. You're getting stuck in your quest for fame and women and free love and all your hippie theories. But don't pretend to be all loving if you can't treat your women right. 'Cause you didn't treat your woman right.
So yeah, now I'm gonna complete the other one, the bigger one, and see what it does. See ya, bye bye.